Alright, I just got my Flints. I'm about to change the Flint in my Zippo. I keep this bag on it, and I never have to refuel my lighter, but every, like, couple months. I use it a lot. Now you're going to want to hold this tight because there's a fully loaded spring in there. There goes the other little Flint. And that's comparable to... Oh, I just lost it. Oh, there it is. See the difference? So what we're going to do is, we're just going to slide this right in there. And stick this right on back down in there. Push the spring nice and tight. Taking a lot of pressure. That's a fully loaded spring, so be careful not to let go of this or it's going to shoot out. Yeah, and that's how you change the Flint in a Zippo. I'll put my little baggie back around it so I can keep my fuel in there nice. I re-wicked this as well. I can make a video on that too.